Hey, I'm super excited. It's going to be an unboxing day today. Just got this in the mail and super excited to see what's in it. Got my trusty wine key. It's a great box cutter. Gonna slice this open. I'm actually expecting two things in the mail, so I'm as excited as you are to see what this is. So here we go. Oh yeah, it's some Air Jordans. Let's see who they're from. Actually, I know what it is now, but I'm excited to, let's see how we can get this out of the box. Excited to see these and show them to you guys. And yeah, baby, these are Restaurant 365 Air Jordans. Look at that. You're going to see me in these on a regular basis, red and black. It's beautiful. Restaurant 365, Matt Joyner. Thank you so much for these. I'm going to wear them with pride, buddy. Restaurant 365, thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to put these on now.